Hi and welcome to our Stroke Man Rides Again. There's Shane over there, Stroke Man. Right, so this is the BMC Nuttfield that we're talking about. So that's the front. As you can see, it's a restoration project, as you know from the title of the video, Stroke Man Rides Again and restoration project. As you can see here, what's happened is we've got some C's pistons. Pistons, do you call them, Shane?
Glow plugs.
C's, yeah, but C's glow plugs plus C's pistons, isn't it? Yeah, and C's pistons, yeah. So yeah, it's a BMC Nuttfield. What did you say it was? 1966 model. I don't know if you can still see the. No, you can't really see the plate. It's sort of. Oh, you can see a little bit details there, but not too much. It's sort of come off a fair bit. 16D 2459/Z. 9/16 and 497. I'm not sure what the numbers are about entirely. But as you can see, she's an old beauty. These tyres, you'll see they got cracks and bits and pieces because they're actually original tyres that have stayed on the bugger and been rescued. With I think it's this one you're talking about. You've got like 7 sleeves or something in it, isn't it? It's got like 7 sleeves of rubber in it, that one, to keep it going. But as you can see, she's an old beauty. Pretty basic. Like you got the axle. Basically there, you got the tyres. Look, excuse the sun. Sorry about the sun, but yeah, I can't do too much about that over on this side, unfortunately. But yeah, we just got the engine covered up at the moment. But obviously you can see, I don't know if you can see down there, but we've actually put a new, so far we're putting a new starter motor in. I'll just put this up here for a second. Right, I'll take this off. Oh yeah, talking about something that we're seeing too. How much are you selling that for? So yeah, looking 175, and it's fully been restored up. You can see she's got, she was sitting out in the weather for a long time, but she's fully restored and working good as gold, that one. So yeah, it's just something I'll show you while we're there, but you can see she's got the engine, just basic. Little 4-cylinder, isn't it?
4-cylinder diesel.
4-cylinder diesel, yeah.
Hydraulic fluid.
That's your hydraulic fluid. Pump. That's your pump down there. It looks like the radiator's fairly new, that one, isn't it? So the radiator's already been done on this one, as you can see.
New starter motor.
New starter motor. So you can see that's why the manifold's been taken off here, and the side plates is to try and free it up with the acetone and power steering fluid, I believe. Is that right, Joe? Yeah. So there you go. She's, what is it? Pause the video if you want to read about the engine there. Ricardo Patents. So you can see it's all in fairly reasonable order. It's been sitting a while, about what, 5 years been sitting? About 5 years. So what were you saying about the history of it? Yeah, you've had this for what, 25 years?
25 years, yes.
And rescued out of a flood, you said, is that right?
Yeah, rescued out of a flood and
so
bought just from down the road.
And bought from down the road. Actually bought down from the road from where he's actually living right now. So it was actually stored just down a few houses down the road, actually. So.
Glow plugs in the desk.
No, here we are. Oh, is that the glow plugs down in there? So you can see in here, see where the glow plugs are broken off. They're seized up in there, need to get a special tool. I think it was a glow plug remover or something, was it? Yeah. Yeah, is that right? Yeah. So I got to get glow plug remover for that. So yeah, so far the only thing that's been sort of replaced is the starter motor so far and the radiator, I guess. And looks like it's got a fairly new fuel filter and all that on it.
Fuel filter, oil filters.
Fuel filter, oil filters, all new. Is that the air filter over here, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, air filter over here. Yeah, so as you can see, it's just basically, they're like a single chassis, aren't they, that runs all the way through. And that's your petrol tank there at the underneath your seat. There's actually a different exhaust going to end up going, well that's your air filter, but there's a nice exhaust going on here. It's been cleaned up. Anything else you want to say about the history of it? Or?
Mate, she's done a lot of firewood and a lot of hard work.
Well, there you go. So this is basically just the first video introduction of the tractor, as you know. Before we actually do anything to it, just basically coming out of the shed, you know. Back out of the shed. I think we called this series. Is that right? Yeah. Back out of the shed, wasn't it? Yeah. And Stroke Man Rides Again is the name of the series. So yeah, this is the BMC Nuttfield, and I hope you enjoyed the introduction to what we're going to be restoring. So thank you so much for coming along, and yeah, make sure you subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Take care.